Mwancho muligereria wegeta seni kia Ndizi TV ni gotogo sabo kwabera asengencho yokonyorwa kwa mangana maya ayo cha Chinsa Ikomi igoro kurende chia itire chideka ange kianda igoro Chinsa Ikomi chemeragoba yabono kurende twachire tokumanyie nararia yagendereire gokoreka imena isiko yorongorwa Gusii na Kenya ngima asenchira yobwenge inyora litikulia lero nalio kolingoli gwano koligererirwa kwa bawaziri abachore abo baika bosibwe komiti ababunge elikulingolirwa asamabaga banyarako babakwegwa n'umurayibwense Dr. William Ruto abwase Musalia Mudavadi alingolirwa oyogo chikotenenerense moya Prime Cabinet Secretary gose Minister abwase anyarako bagakwerera talimake naralia yarobereti gochigokora baigo Justin Muturi nere nalingolirwa oyokoliya ekirogo gosoya twekerogo kyobo Attorney General na baigo Aden Duale korwase county gose kurase county ya Garissa oyolenge omobunge bwebunge ya Garissa Township oyogo chagutenenera mangana a defense onye kago chagwetigwa amona babunge na bande mbabwatie asokolingoli woko wachaka lituko lya lero na kwaleganire atalimake omwancho mulire kurugega ase studio kabana inche goika omoelio na inde nabakogendera gutubwatia gwetera senchira yemitandao Ndizi TV News Digital abonensemo ya Facebook na baigo Ndizi TV News asensemo ya YouTube na inde nabogo tweet @Ndizi TV News to baisa gusuka nkuira nande asegeke kekerbosyo egere nkumanye ayo amona yanda mange asenchira yobwenge. Ncheni gonkoro kwa Sara nyarangi Ontita noli atokobwatira na komo asensemo yebimanyererio nigakoro kwa Joshua Auta kerotoko ya chaka kurwase county ya Nyamira abwasa abantu bale no balema besokire litukulia lero na gukwana amona baliki bamangana igorongana kia serikali ya county eyo ya Nyarako bage kubatiga isiko asama bagaye ngencho ase bunge ya county ya Nyamira na boigo ase baraza ya bawaziri abo bachorwa no governor county ya Nyamira Amos Nyaribo korengana nabamenye abo nigo batebire bagocha weika ase kigambero egere obwene bwabo bumanyekane ase ngencholi bagari abantu bari no bare mangu tokarire ase kere county ya Nyamira bari nirwe bolikito bwamangana maya job mangi na twaleganirio roboti oru asenchira yoboikeranu gekuraga ensa eyamo yabono botuko kurende tigatoligererie ebirengererio by'abantu abo kurwase county ya Nyamira.
Twaganya amalieta chinomini chigo county assembly malieta yagasoka bono ntorochie elieta lyo morema okogenda county assembly turi chigo kurwanirira barema ne problem chiabo
kiagera ekero bakora ogochora twabere togotegerera sana tuganyete na inturi bagari tugusento egwe igontere no bororo gekogera kara tokorigira libuya yani otokorange bire Nyamira ntunto inyoiri
igo bono ntoisanegeti no gochora chora na ende igo bono ngogenda turi bosio kobwatiri chiko
ande mbaro baraende goturwanirira ntorange kogenda se koti tonyoro bumaene bwaitu.
Omo MCA we ward ya Masimba Boss Mairura nigaigoire chiabisi che ward eyo munenchera ya mayo gochakurwa bokoralio byago cha sabamenyi bensemeyo chinga kyale kuigora obisi eyo nigakwanira nabaliki bamangana abwasaba nekeire abamenyi bensemeyo na chiko barorokera litukulia Jumatatu ochakera Chinsa isatu cha mambya wika Chinsa Ikomi cha maragoba asogo tegerera ibirengerero by'abamenyi na komotebya ali bagwenerete abakorere asege kakimyaka 5 erebosio muri kwitoba igo bamangana maya Mildred Momanyi na ache gotorosolio roboti rwa senchira yoboikeranu asense yema yabano botuko kolende tigatora motegerera umuske Boss Mairura
koligia chikura 2022 neta abakiba ne irabunani mbega igobisi at least tukerimokera a week nedi tuketu abeke every Monday ochaganyisa isato chiamambi baka saa 10 ongo tokaga igobisi erinde na egwanki abantu bane baganeti bakorerwe kayime chandere ngaitwa gosire ngaitwa korire buya because public participation is very important. I understand nima thena emiaka yarire menge kurumaega abandu baitwa mazimba mbabwata office ya MCA buna yari ngororo ego yari just a puppet office. I'm a very happy man this morning that at least we have taken a step, and I'm requesting a manager na akorera abantegas bila ubaguzi ekera beyond kwa bebirugebi nyasaye na aturigete na kitokora abantu baitegas.
Aba kagerwa babere bo ibi nigo baitwa wika gukwa asensemo ya nyamokenye egotoka se wodi ya Bugyakumu bunge ya Bonchari kolengana nabamenyi kurwa senseme yo nigo batebire babirabo nigo babeire bakubaibera ebintu buna chingoko chi radio ne chi TV egento bono keirera ogoito kwabo obutuko bugokira rero abanyanyimbo no enabombaika asayo na koire mebere ya babirabo wika senkendu yenyagitalia nene ya Kisii teaching and referral chinga kibona abamenyi baburi gwe gutaira ebitambokero byelichiko asama bokabo na lika lyabo kubasoera na kwimukerwe getambokero kelichiko ama nabateneneri babanyanyimbo.
Igona nyorire abangwana baberega iga bangentire basungire chingori iko baraba ibi bechingoko nacha kobori omonno ndegano bomaete yato karimba banyikaina kunyangiti aria iko niko baraba ibi abarose baibire konya chingoko chitibi chiretio ebinte ebingo bakogire kori nyomba
erietangoro kuteni singa kanyabaro egente kenje nabo kasa 11 namakonyora bante bechire para ngabaibera nko ya nebintu nko chikonya kubwata namakonya chipikipiki chinyinga chikurukuru mata ngana baibi bakwirwa chimata bangente iru mata.
Omwabunge West Mugirango Steve Mogaka nigo airanire abamenyi benseme yongambi ya monaso kumwegena na komochora asekirugo kyobo bunge abwasane kirina chekoleta monchoryo na magenderera mange asabamenyi benseme yo anene asensemo yechisemi okwana alichkore igoro asensemo ya rangenyo chinga kekiranete asumuyiga bwa masabo yo kumunyero mwalimu monene bweskuru ya baiseke ya rangenyo nigo boigo aganirio botukibwa bwango gokorwa elyo kumanyambara bibairera ogosirio bogima ko mwalimu oyo nigo boigo atebire na chakubwaterana ne serikali ya kaunti ya Nyamira na serikali ya nene elikoleto boene ase amate ya Nyagosira Lydia Onyoni.
Out of our children. Never again shall a crime of this nature happen within our teaching compound and within our education sector. Nataka kuomba msamaha kwa sababu ya barabara inayoelekea shule ya Kemasare. And I want to thank the children and teachers of Kemasare and Nyasabakwa for coming to join our Red Queens in solidarity and condemning the act of murder in our examination, and we shall be celebrated when the results are going to be announced come next year. I want to finish by saying this. I thank God and the people of West Mugirango for electing me as an MP. And I want to thank the catechists and priests of this church for committing me to prayer. I am a product of prayer because I did have money to get my way to Parliament.
Magega yomuraibwense Dr. William Ruto kubachora abawaziri abachore ase serikali yae obolingo liambwa cha kigwali tukolia lero bene ase committee yachoretwe eyuere ababunge abo bale gotegerera na kobolingolia abo bachoretwe gusimba bwenerete ase amabagayo ayobo motangani kegima Msalem Davadi ase libagali obo prime cabinet secretary oyolingoli walitukolia lero na kwerera mange igoronga naralia yaroberetie ase gwikirania emirimo yaye buna omo prime cabinet secretary.
Just coming to the issues at hand, first of all, I just want to say through you that I am honored and privileged to appear before this committee so that we can talk about the kind of people and the kind of vision that is required to to be able to make Kenya a better place and to improve on the governance and democratic processes of our country. Mr. Chairman, I will also, through this committee, extend my appreciation to the President of the Republic of Kenya, Dr. William Samoei Ruto, for having seen it fit to nominate me to this position of Prime Cabinet Secretary. Mr. Speaker, we have just come out of an election as a nation, and the country is facing several challenges. So I take this initial appearance as being very critical so that the country can exit from the election mode and start looking at serious service delivery.
Mdavadi oyobo igoiraneria mabolio ao korwa sababunge waigonairaneria igoro na kia aroberetie guchiago keania na korora engana yeri kabeso asense ya Kenya na kiegochiago keana abu asairaneria bene nemerobere babegete bune serikali ya Kenya kwanza igoro yeri kabeso elireri nene ase abakenya waiganiga muiraneria maraibwense Dr. William Ruto ngambe ya mono asoko mwigena na komwali bagerio asekerogo kyobo Prime Cabinet Secretary.
I want to state that on the question of debt, the country right now is facing a challenge of debt. And from 2015, for instance, I was very consistent to the Kenyan people during my political campaigns then, stating that we need to rationalize our borrowing, to be more prudent, so that the profile of our debt can have more concessionary funding. The portfolio should have more concessionary funding and limit the levels of commercial debt that we were incurring. I think that remains an objective that we must pursue as a country going forward, because we will still borrow, but we must borrow prudently so that the debt repayment process does not harm other activities of government.
Waigo oyo kabeire omonogari bwe bunge Justin Muturi oyo achorwa gochakoba omo Attorney General nere na ikabosyo bwe committee yo elikoringori gwangana raliaya abwate asobokorali waye.
Associated with practices that depict bias, favoritism, or nepotism in the discharge of your public duties?
No, Mr. Chairman.
Would you tell the committee your financial net worth?
Mr. Chairman, I've been a very modest public servant, and my net worth is currently estimated at just about 700 million.
What are your current and anticipated sources of income?
Currently, from my activities as a farmer and through consultancies that I do from time to time, do get occasional rewards. Otherwise, I am now a pensioner, a retired speaker, and expect that I should be governed, whatever I get from the public coffers should be governed by the Deputy President and Designated State Officers Act of 2015.
Ensemo ya barai kurwase county ya Nandi nigo banyarwa bakwemurungania mono maega yogotigwa magega aseri bagari obowaziri no muraibwense Dr. William Ruto kurende magega yo muraibwense komochora omoske Felix Kosgei gochogotenera ensemo ya public services nigo bono ensemo ya barai ya serikali yaye nigo batebire bagokobwaterana asoboime na kwene kiabuna serikali ya Kenya kwanza ngoikiraniere chira chiri yariere taba Kenya bonsi chinga kiche campaign asibare no kwegena Dr. Ruto na baigo Felix Kosgei na chugwikirania merobire yonsi bunega neirie ekero ale ase obokoreri.
Si kama Nandi ilikuwa wakati wa kwanza katika historia kwamba hatukuwa tumepata mmoja ambaye anatoka hapa. Since independence, Nandi has never missed to have a cabinet member. Lakini tukakumbuka pia kwamba rais wetu ambaye tunajua anapenda Nandi sana alikuwa amesema kwamba kabla hamjauliza nitakuwa nimefanya nini, nimewafikishia, si ndio? Sasa in our patience, William Samoei Ruto, our president, has done Nandi proud.
William Samoei Ruto, tunasema asante sana kwa sababu ni heshima ya kipekee ambayo tumepewa kama wakaaji wa Nandi County na hasa wakaaji wa constituency yetu ya Nandi Hills.
One thing we want to tell the Kenya nation is that indeed we have gotten as a nation one man in whom the president will succeed in his work, because Felix Kosgei is an articulate, very brilliant, very wise, very suave professional of no mean repute.
Na bamenyi kurwase county ya Kilifi nigo basemiwe wesaba maboko bunenchire moyo gwetanga kurwa konyora marwaire akoretwa nobochabu guseubi ase chingaki batali gwesaba buna ibwenerete kolengana nabo bisa bobo chenu bakorawa na Dr. Hassan Hamisi nigo batebire buna Chinsa monchiro ase county ya Kilifi abamenyi batali gwesaba bune bwenerete na igo kwebeka asa kon gosaso konyora marwaire buna cholera typhoid gati ya marwaire ande nigo bano basemiwe gwesaba nonye county ya Kilifi yakire no muchando bumurakera na iga machi gotoka nigere merememe kongo nigo baigate bire gwetera ogwisaba nigo abamenyi baranyara ko babagwetanga nyora marwaire ao
Gatu zetu la Kilifi sasa tuko na asilimia 67 hapa tulipo Gaboni Kilifi South iko asilimia 64 na vile vile katika wodi hii ya Chasimba ambayo iko katika asilimia 11.6. So kupitia hivi tunaangalia hizi vituo ambavyo asilimia iko chini, tunazidi kuhamasisha wananchi kuambia kuwa kuosha mikono ni sabuni ziko affordable ama kuzuia madhara. Kwa cholera sahihi tuna bahati hatuna ugonjwa wote wa cholera katika kaunti yetu, na pia ugonjwa wa typhoid tulipoanza mambo ya kuosha mikono, ugonjwa wa COVID ulisaidia kuhamasisha watu zaidi ya usafi na magonjwa yalipungua zaidi ya asilimia 50. Magonjwa tukapata yanapungua katika vituo vyetu, ripoti ama kesi ambazo zimekuwa zikija zinaendelea kupungua. Lakini sasa hivi vile tulipolegeza masharti makali ya COVID kidogo, tumeona wananchi wamepungua kuzingatia usafi wa kuosha mikono. Ndo leo tunakuja kuwakumbusha bado magonjwa haya bado yapo, na tukiendelea kufanya usafi tunaendelea kuyapunguza magonjwa haya.
Nara yuasevano mwanchu muligereria kurenda mange nekero chikuraga ensa ema yabono botuko na baigo Chinsa isato cyo botuko bwarero igotobaise gusuka korwa Ndizi TV nero bwansubo mugusimbia mono asibali mwato bwate gwetera semetandao yaito ya Facebook na baigo YouTube to wakangambia mono na indegendera ko baime ya Ndizi TV olitubaterana nere gwetera sense moye bimanyererio nigakoro kwa Joshua Auta no libwana kyabona chibicha na mariogi ahwekereira senchera yobo ikerano nigakoro kwa Abigail Nyancha